Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your kitchen cabinets are closing in on you, or if you are tired of playing a game of Tetris just to put away your pots and pans, you are going to want to listen up. Today, we are diving deep into the CAROTE 21-piece pots and pans set. This is not just another basic cookware set. It features a unique detachable handle design that promises to reclaim your cabinet space while upgrading your entire cooking experience. Let us start with the core value proposition here, which is space management. By removing the handles, you are looking at up to 70% more storage space compared to traditional cookware. This makes it an absolute game changer for anyone living in a small apartment, a dorm, or even for those who take their cooking on the road in an RV. The stacking capability is incredibly clean, and because these pans nest together without those awkward protruding handles getting in the way, you can keep your kitchen organized with minimal effort. Moving on to the build quality and functionality. One of the standout features of this 21-piece set is the versatility of those removable handles. They are designed to provide a secure grip with high weight-bearing capacity. I tested them with a fully loaded sauté pan, and they felt surprisingly stable. This design allows you to move seamlessly from the stovetop to the oven, to the grill, or straight into the fridge to store leftovers. You can even bring these pans directly to the dining table as serving dishes, which means less cleanup for you later. Performance-wise, this set is built for efficiency. The heat transfer is rapid and even, which is exactly what you want when you are searing meat or whipping up a delicate sauce. They work on all cooktops, including Induction, which is a big plus for modern kitchens. The nonstick coating is smooth and performs well, allowing for healthier cooking with less oil. Plus, the spray-coated bottom is a great touch because it resists that annoying black residue that usually builds up on the bottom of pans over time. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, you are getting a massive amount of gear in this box. You get 3 fry pans, 2 saucepans, a large sauté pan, an egg pan, 2 handles, silicone lids, and even cooking utensils and pan protectors to keep everything in pristine condition. The convenience of being dishwasher safe is the cherry on top. On the flip side, some users might find that the detachable handle requires a brief adjustment period. You have to be intentional about clicking it into place, though it quickly becomes second nature after a few uses. Also, because this is a non-stick set, you should always avoid using metal utensils to keep the coating in top shape for years to come. Ultimately, the CAROTE 21-piece set is an impressive package that balances utility with clever design. If you are looking to declutter your kitchen and want a versatile set that handles everything from boiling to baking with ease, this is a fantastic investment. With a 12-month warranty included, the manufacturer clearly stands behind the durability of this product. It is a stylish, functional, and smart choice for any modern home cook. Link in the description.